Welcome to my channel. How to factory reset Linksys MR7500 router step by step. Step 1. Turn on the router. First, make sure your Linksys MR7500 is connected to power and turned on. Wait until it finishes starting up. Step 2. Locate the reset button. Check the back or bottom of the router and find the small recessed reset button. Step 3. Use a paperclip. Take a paperclip or another thin object that can easily reach the reset button inside the small hole. Step 4. Press the reset button. Carefully press the reset button with the paperclip. Make sure the button is pressed properly. Step 5. Hold the button. Keep holding the reset button for around 10 seconds to begin the factory reset. Step 6. Check the LED light. Watch the router's LED light while holding the button. A change or blinking light usually indicates the reset has started. Step 7. Release the button. Once the reset process begins, release the reset button and leave the router powered on. Step 8. Wait for the router to restart. The router will restart automatically. Give it a few minutes and avoid unplugging it during the process. Step 9. Connect to the router. After the reset is complete, connect your phone, laptop, or computer to the router using Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Step 10. Set up the MR7500 again. Open the Linksys app or setup page and configure your Wi-Fi name, password, and other network settings from scratch. Thanks for watching.